over at Tameron Honda. I am your Sam's Club auto buying advisor, and I am super excited that you are interested in that 2.0 EXL Accord. Now, right behind me, let's check it out. I got your flashers on so that you can actually see the full spectrum of having lights that makes it safe for you to drive on the road. Full LED spectrum with automatic high beam and low beam. This car does come standard with Honda sensing as well. Did you know what that was? Here it goes. You got lane keep assistant, road departure mitigation, collision braking, even adaptive cruise control, which simply means your car is smart enough to keep you and your family safe in the lane, on the road, and won't let you run into anything or anyone. Check out the stylish rim. You will have 17-inch alloy aluminum wheels, breakaway mirrors with the side slide marker so people can actually see you when they're coming. Of course, you got a sunroof. Yep, the frames are all blown out up here. Check out the inside. Oh, before we get there, did you know this car comes standard with keyless remote start, keyless entry? Somebody tries to get in the car, guess what? It cuts off. Automatic kill switch. Come on, check it out. Got some stuff right here on your dash. Absolutely excited about looking at everything. Sorry about the snafu there. Power seating on both sides, perforated leather that is actually comfortable, wood grain trim all the way around, touchscreen capability just like on your phone. You even have it to make sure that you can realign your apps for the ones that you're going to use. Push gear transmission, sport mode, all you can possibly think of, and I cannot wait to show you everything that it's made of. Now, before I go, gotta show you this gas tank. Have you ever had your check engine light come on? Not anymore. No more of the psycho people trying to flag you down, telling you that you left something in your car or your gas tank is open. And even give you a definite notification on your dashboard too. So again, there's a whole lot more that I have not even touched in this car. Give me a call. Let's go over it today. Let's take it for a test drive. 205-519-1710. Again, I'm Mary Elizabeth. I'm here at Tameron Honda, where I guarantee you're gonna love the way you're treated. Bye.